So I'm looking at Big Red's headlights, and at first I thought they looked kind of cool, but now it just kind of looks like a bug-eyed mess. Let's fix that. So here we have a box. What's in the box? Well, let's see what's in the box. What we have here are some new headlights. Now these are the factory style, so they don't have the projector looking lenses. They don't have the halos. What they do have though, that the stock ones didn't, is a black housing. So it's got a black housing versus the chrome housing that the truck came with. And of course we're going to need to use the original lights out of the factory light housings. We're going to have to use those, so which means I got to dig those out from where I got them stashed, and then we can use those to install these. So we put those back in the box, keep them from getting broken while we work on other things. So anyway, we're going to do something we haven't done here in a little bit. We're going to go outside. Alright, so this is one of the stock headlights. And as we can see, it's got the chrome housing. So we'll have to borrow or take, we'll have to take these pieces off anyway. Yeah, there we go. So we'll just take these pieces here off with the bulbs. And of course, this is just the connector. Those the bulbs are actually, we're going to drop those out of the existing that's currently on the truck. So let's roll the pieces we need off these, and we can then playing around with these. So this has a rubber grill here, like that one does. So we'll drop this piece here, pull it out, put it in here. Alright, repeat that process for the other side. Alright. That's it in. Stop. So far we're looking okay. The one for this one's still on the truck, so we'll have to get it over there. Headlights ready. Alright, so I got my 25-inch pry bar here. Now, you won't need a pry bar, but I have one, so I don't have to reach down and get all dirty. You can use a screwdriver for this, but we're going to use this for the clips at the bottom of the grill shit. And then I have a 7/32 socket, an extension, 1/4-inch adapter, and my Milwaukee cordless ratchet. Alright, there's some bolts that go right across the top of the grill shell there. So we're going to have to take those out. Alright, so we peel this back a little bit, ever so gently so we don't break it. This is where we get the pry bar. And those clips down here. So if you look down there, right here, I'll point with the pry bar. There's one that we're going to need right there. And so I just apply a little pressure and a little twist, and that'll usually get it out of there. There we go. I think it's unlocked. And we'll work our way across. There's another one there. I guess I'm going to have to get the screwdriver. So there's another clip down there. I'm going to reach and get it with this screwdriver. Yep. Another one here. Yep. Got one there. Got one over here. All right. So if you look, they're all loose. So yeah, at this point, I'll just carefully pull it off the truck. Each headlight's got 4 bolts that hold it on. So we'll get those loose. I'll get the bottom ones out first. Right there. So we can get rid of all our custom wiring here. Get rid of all that. So that part's easy now. And this should be the factory connector for the headlight. Yeah, you just take all this off. Yeah. And with that, we can get this out of our way. Yeah, we're gonna need a little bit of screwdriver and some more tape. We're gonna get the tape off of this. That part's very easy. This should be where our turn signal plugs in. And these connectors here, I suppose I could leave them, but I'm gonna take them off. Alright, so I'll just use this little bitty screwdriver here. Alright, there's a couple ways we can do this. Depin it. Maybe tear something up, maybe destroy this, maybe not. Try to depin it, pull it apart. We can cut it apart, solder it, put some heat shrink tubing on there, or we can just tape. I think we're just going to tape. Cool, so there we go. Now we just need a headlight, right? Alright, so I robbed this out of the headlight. And this will need to go in the new one. Peel this off, put this on. Cool. So we just plug in the 3 connectors and we should theoretically be done. We'll get this back in its sheathing. Alright. That appears to be connected. Alright, and this one will go up to the headlight, and this one goes into the corner light. So let me get this out of our way here. Alright, only one left now is this one. Then this whole mess gets tucked in here. So, there she is. I forgot to get the freaking light. Ain't that something? Okay, get it back out. Grab that bag. I actually think that's a little bit sexier than it was. Interesting. If you notice here, this headlight here has clips down at the bottom of it. But this particular model of truck has the clips on here. So I'm going to take them off of the headlight. Alright. If it's too tight, then you just gotta assemble the tool inside there. And this side here, we just feed in from up here. So I guess before we go any further, we will turn on the lights, see if they work. Yeah, it does. And the corner marker. Just gotta check the high beam. Yep, I see light. So over here, a quick comparison between the two different headlights. And one looks like a bug-eyed wonder. The other one looks kind of cool. Let's move on to the other side. We can apply lessons learned. This side comes out quite a bit further than the other way. Let's see, before we forget, go ahead and pull this turn signal bulb out. Here. This part. Get the bungee out of that. Take this away. Get all that crap taped up. This tape off of here. There we go. Bring the new headlight over. Good thing we left the plastic on, huh? Alright, let's get these clips off before we can forget them. They'll screw us up. Alright, so we have to do this one. Okay, that's it. Same as before. You got to put all this back on. That's all on. Managed to get it close enough to get it connected. Of course, we didn't put the hole in yet. Left that part out, didn't we? Put that down. Good. Start. Stop right there. So then we got one more connector. Top bolts. Make sure we got tools on the right direction. Got that one. Let's see if the headlights and everything work like they're supposed to. So we'll put the grill on. High beam here, we got a high beam there. Not diggity. Looks like it works. Get the lights turned off and put the grill on. Start them in any order, but I like to tighten them from the inside out. Look at that, will you? That's headlights in the F-250. Hey y'all, before we close out, a few quick things might be worth mentioning here. So as you noticed in the video, I forgot to put the turn signal bulb in the passenger side, which was the first one we did. And because of that, I had to take it back apart, pull it back off the truck. Then I put it back on there only to realize that I'd also forgotten to remove the clips, the U-nuts, I believe is the proper word for those. But I left those on the headlight, and because they're on the truck and not on the headlight itself, on mine anyway, I had to take those off of there before I could put the bolts in and install them. So if you're doing this, go ahead and take a moment to compare the headlights you take off your truck to the ones you're going to put on, and see if any hardware is on the headlights that shouldn't be, and that'll save you a step and probably a lot of trouble when it comes time to put them on your truck. So those were the only two real problems I experienced, and then I corrected those issues when I went to put the second headlight on. So always try to learn as you go, and you know, any mistakes you make on the first one, just learn from your mistakes and apply that knowledge to the second one. And as you saw in the video, the driver's side went so much more smoothly because, well, I had learned from my mistakes. Let me know in the comments, if you would, what you think of the new headlights. And let me know if you like the new intro as well. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I want to thank you for being a subscriber if you already have, and for watching my videos. With that, y'all take care. We'll see you in the next one.